Welcome to the Makeup Therapy. I'm Manuela, and today I'm doing my Flashback Friday when I'm bringing, according to my first uploads on this lovely platform, a palette I use. Today it's turn to the Temple or something. It's a collaboration by Beauty Bay and Nikki Tutorials. I like this palette a lot. I mentioned that in my video what kind of palettes I have from Beauty Bay, and it's a lot of them, honestly. And she's looking so. Um, I'm gonna do the something with this green, which is the least favorite color of Nikki Tutorials. She always complaining that she doesn't like green, and it's called Eve or Eve. Eve, yeah. I love it. I like the greens a lot, so I'm opposite to her, and yeah, and I'm very happy to be back. It's a little bizarre. After that 3 weeks break of recording, it's a little funky, but let's do the most. This palette is gorgeous. You can do also the blushes and all of kind of whatever you need for the face, and I'll try to use it the most. And yeah, we'll chat a little bit. Okay, I prime my eyes gently with the pillow is Primer Rumor 03. I have this old packaging, very old. And I fill my brow using the brow sphere from Stars from the Stars Polish brand. I've been on the holiday in Poland, for you people who watch me longer maybe and trying to detect accent. I'm Polish Algerian. I raised in Poland. I was studying with this green in the middle. And I was on a holiday in my home city where I born. And I don't live there over a decade. And I'm not visiting Poland every year. It's just from time to time. Oh, this green's amazing. I have earrings which my daughter made a monstera leaf earrings for me. So, the monstera leaf she made for me for my birthday. Didn't have a chance to wear it because the weather over in Poland was a little bit like here, on and off with rain, and people was complaining that really is like autumn, but it was still better, maybe a little better to receive the temperature than here. Here we have very cold Arctic wind, so it's like even when you look like it's sunny and beautiful, like picture friendly, it doesn't feel so. I did a boo-boo here. Well, let me fix that. Okay, so I think I fixed it. I will also put the same shade, the green one, under middle part of my under eye, and I promise I will fix that. But I need to have like a statement. I have some vision with this look, and it definitely will be on the side of less wearable, maybe. Maybe we'll see. We'll see where it goes. Where it goes? Where are we going, Mama? Oh, yeah. It's lots of things, lots of thoughts. I have lots of thoughts, too much maybe in my brain. What I want to share with you, but I will prepare better video because one of my dear colleague here on YouTube, Michelle from Ages Graceful channel, we spoke. I missed our collab, and I told them the reason why I'm a longer holiday, and she asked me, can I make maybe some video on YouTube's for YouTube's to share what we do, what we was doing, what is there, where I've been. So I will do that in short time. Now I showed you I want to do this red. Yeah, green and red, right? At Christmas? No, I'm not planning to make it Christmassy, but I want to use these colors, no? And this one will be my inner corner. And I know it's crazy, and it might be crazy. I don't promise anything less. But I was having some vision, and let's try. And it was my original vision. I didn't see anybody does this, so let's try. And I'll put that also on the outer corner. This is good red. Really good. What do you think? Crazy? Maybe. Okay, the next eyeshadow I want to use is a matte, this matte purple here. Just tiny little bit. Um, I like this contrast, but I want to have a little bit deeper, very close to the end of my eye, very close to, you know, to this bend kind of. It's just a nuance. Just want to have a tiny little bit deeper red there. I don't care about fallout because I really truly created by having too much pigment on my brush. Yeah, I think that this little tweak here with purple will help because my eye are hoodie. Maybe I will do this also here where they meet, the gray, the green, what they say, the green and the red. Oh, that's look very cool. I will do that all over where they meeting. Because hard to blend, right? Obviously. But when they meet with purple, that's kind of cool. Very, very like not Christmassy in my opinion at all. It's dramatic like that. Oh, it was dramatic to leave the place. I was feeling so comfortable there with my daughter, with one of them, because one is doesn't like the place. She doesn't like anything, kind of. She likes to just bossing us. But the my older daughter, she loved to be there. There's something special about that. She really liked the place. She said that if she would be, it would be perfect to be there when she could move all of her friends over. And that means a lot. Coming back to the red, doing all of that kind of even the pigment situation before I will clean. Now do some intensify where I have to. Oh, this looks so cool. I like that so much, honestly. Okay, and I think that we can do some little shimmer, but I'll check what and show you on the hand. So let me give that checking. Okay, I can't decide for the um, for the shimmers yet. I don't find anything like exactly, but I'm taking here this brown, which is close to the red, tiny little bit. I was also taking this beige, which we have kind of in the middle, close to shimmer and the shimmer, under my brow. But now I'm taking this tiny little bit of this brownish, this warm brown light color, and I'm putting it into the front of my brow and kind of to the bridge of the nose. Not want to blend much with the red, but make that kind of shape in the front that it's a little bit like, you know, coming to my nose, this brown. I might also do something light under the, let me take some brush. Would be lovely. I will take this brush from Fantasy Cosmetica. I'll take this shade which I told you, this beige, tiny little bit. And I'll just put this highlighting moment here. So even when I'll do the rest of my face, this place will be taken care of. Because it's some depth here, so I like to do some protecting highlight. Yeah, not blending, just making this place lighter. Yeah, I don't have a very symmetric face. So kind of I don't breathe when I'm doing the symmetric things. Okay, let's maybe try a little bit, maybe a little bit in the middle of this this blue shimmer, this light one. I forgot. It's very, very, very white. So maybe let's take a little bit of this blue. It's called Mama Tutorials. Take tiny little bit of my hand, of my finger, and I'll just tap it in the middle. Like this little bit. Probably create fallout. Yeah, just a little bit. I will not create any spectacular shine. I don't want that. It's enough from the, yeah, that will be good. It's enough from the contrast, and I think that will be completely fine. Maybe I'll try to use something from the palette, maybe this red one as a blush, and I'll finish my look and come back to you, and we'll see what is that crazy combination look like with whole face. Okay, so this is my final look with the whole face of makeup using this interesting palette and well loved by me from Beauty Bay, collaboration with Nikki Tutorials. The palette is two sides, a dark one and the light one, and today I was more middle dark part, more in the dark part, let's say. We did red and lots of red and green and purple and little brown, and then let's say, and the shimmer, little bit of blue shimmer. Do you have, guys, this palette? Do you like it, or you're on this team to be really thinking that it's awful and yuck? I was thinking that for a moment Nikki Tutorials was really having like hard time, that people was not liking her collaboration at all, or some after this drama with Too Faced and all of these things. She kind of had a hard time to gain back her face. With the cosmetics choice, I really enjoy that one. Mine is okay, it's good, it's performing well, it's Beauty Bay quality. Shimmers are alright. I'm not too much. It's like they are not that wow we are special for my taste, because I like a little bit darker. Always a little bit on the darker side, can you say? Only with makeup, honestly. I don't watch any dark scary movie, horror and stuff like that. I will be watching Wednesday series because I promised my daughters, but I don't. Yeah, it was not my first choice. All right. I will love you and leave you. It's good to be back. I will be maybe more back when I settle myself and unpack. Yeah, I hope that you have a fantastic, fabulous Friday, and if you are first time, please consider to subscribe, and for all of you who is watching and get to that part, please leave even an emoji comment, so I will know that it's watched by by members of my wee family here on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.